Hi guys, when you turn on the laptop, so keyboard light is not coming actually. So I'll show you how to fix that. See here, when you turn on the laptop, so laptop is running on, but the keyboard light is not coming. See, keyboard light is not coming. I'll just show you how to fix that issue. So sometime what it will happen, the keyboard strip will be loose, so we have to open the laptop and need to clean it, and we need to fix it back. So sometime it works. I'll just show you how to do that. See, this is a battery thing. Keyboard strip is this. This is data, keyboard data strips. This is for power, for turning on the light. So we need to clean it and put it back. You have to use the fiber cloth to clean this. Yeah, it works. See, keyboard light is coming now. You can see when you remove the strips, so keyboard light is not coming. So that means the issue with the strips. See, laptop is turning on, but keyboard light is not turning on. That means that this strip may be the issue, or this port may be the issue. So you have to clean it and put. So first leveler from your end. So you have to fix it yourself. If it doesn't work, so it may keyboard issue with the hardware issue. You have to replace the keyboard. Yes.